Hey folks, connecting dots here. Just hanging out the back window and was listening to Dana's video, and he was saying how there was he's going back out on this expedition for life. Some of you may recall that back in August of 2014, he said he went out on the Sunshine Coast for 9 days on his expedition for life, I guess, promo video, and he came back after those 9 days telling everyone that he barely saw any birds at all, while he's out there for 9 days. Yeah, no birds, he said. Anyways, look at, they're putting up a new building here. Just look at all these birds with the crows right on them. See them all? They're even on top, on the roof. Well, which is actually a floor right now. But regardless, look on the crane. Those are all birds. One spot in the city. Yeah, loaded with birds. You couldn't see any birds for 9 days on the Sunshine Coast of British Columbia, Canada? Give me a break. I'm downtown Victoria. Anyways, just wanted to leave you with that beauty shot. I'm sure you won't be forgetting that for a while. Right? Got a few birds there. Enjoy.